Unmute. You're unmute, Papa.
Thank you very much, General Evaluator Jude Ola. And thank you and noted for everything that you recommended. And before I call on our president to end our learning session today, thank you very much, everyone, and thank you very much, Lois, also for the challenge. So I accepted the dual role challenge and learned so much today from each and every one. Thank you very much and privileged to be evaluated by Sir Ed. Thank you very much. And I will do your recommendation. And now may I call on President Cristina for the announcement and adjournment of this of the learning session today.
I want to remind everyone our last meeting for this term will be on June 20, 2020. That will be also our installation of officers. This day will be a special meeting. Don't miss out. This is a special meeting. So you will know how the meeting will go once you attend on June 20, 2020. Also, I would like to hear some comments and remarks from our guests. What did you think about the meeting? Guest Jonas and guest Jimo. Let's start with guest Jimo.
Hi, hello again. Yes,
Hello.
thank you for the time. And as a guest, from the perspective of a guest, this was great. Everything was great. Just everything is just great. That's all that I can say. And it's very encouraging to hear all those comments, those encouragements. Yes, and also the speeches were very insightful, and I guess this is something that's, I think, is a very very positive group. You know, when you just attend the meetings, I guess, you know, it kind of releases those stresses. And overall, again, it's just great to be invited here. And yes, and that's all. Thank you.
How about, thank you. Yes, Jimo. Can I call our guest Jonas?
Yeah. First, thank you for the invitation, kay Pat, and then for the others, thank you for feeling. I felt the warmth kanina, even if it's my first time. Two things. First is, syempre, whatever organization it is, it's also the people inside the group. So first muna siguro, I'll as an outsider, I'll give my comments on people from within. You guys are very warm. I never felt like it's my first time. So parang feeling, I felt like it's, you know, it's regular, that I've been coming here for quite some time already. That's how I felt as far as acceptance is concerned. And I could sense that there's a strong urge or passion when it comes to communication with this group of people. So as far as the people that I saw here is concerned, that's what I saw. As far as the format is concerned, I like it. I love the format. Definitely, if we follow this format, we would improve as far as communications is concerned. Kasi whatever part of our business is, we really need to express ourselves to other people. It's a good therapy, that's number one. It's also good as far as technical is concerned. It will improve us as a person. So I'm very excited and looking forward for the upcoming schedules. I'll get in touch with Pam on how to go about it. Thank you so much for accepting for this session. I felt good. I felt great.
And be a part of BF community family. We only learn by doing, and this is the only venue that we were encouraged. Everyone is encouraged to speak. So this is the way to learn. Now I want to thank everyone today who participated, and to all fellow Toastmasters. I'm now calling this meeting adjourned. Can we take a pictures first before we adjourn?
Definitely. Okay. Okay, everyone look at the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
See you on June 20.
Bye.
Everyone, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.